Hey everybody, my name is Montana with JVI Secret Gardens. You probably see me in a background of a few of the other videos. Today we're going to go over pond cleaning, what an exploratory pond cleaning entails, or just pond cleaning in general. If you have a pond or water feature that we have serviced in the past or built in the past, you'll be contacted in the springtime about a clean out. Also, if you've inherited a pond or built one yourself, we will also take care of the maintenance of that. All you got to do is reach out to us and we'll come take care of it for you. So now what you're about to see is what an exploratory pond cleaning looks like, so you know what to expect when we arrive at your house. For ponds that we haven't built, an exploratory cleaning is used so we can figure out the best way to service your pond and also to be able to teach you about how your pond works and operates and the best way to maintain it. Part of an exploratory pond cleaning is to check on your pond ecosystem. We go through how many fish you have, if any, as well as the wellness of your fish in addition to plant load. As pretty as it may look, sometimes having too many plants in your pond or water feature can take over your ecosystem and make an impact on other life in the pond, as well as make an impact on the overall function. During this time, we can answer any questions or make any recommendations for repair, enhancements, or possible renovation of your pond. The first thing we do in exploratory cleaning is drain the pond. When we drain the pond, we take the pumps, put them in the bottom, and we drain all the water out. And the reason for this is so that we can get access to all the silt and algae that's probably built up on the rocks on the inside and the bottom of your pond that most people don't really notice, but can make an impact on your pond. If you have any fish, as we drain the pond, we're going to take the fish and put them in holding tanks that we carry with us on every job. One of the next steps is we cut back any aquatic plants that are impacting the water feature. They can block water flow, they can be damaging. We're gonna just cut them off at the base, take those out, and then they'll be growing there next year, just like nothing happened. The next step is remove organic debris. That includes sticks, leaves, pretty much anything that made it into the pond that shouldn't be there. After that, we clean out the biofalls and the skimmer. Some ponds don't have a biofalls or a skimmer, some of them just have a spillway. Spillways don't require any maintenance during a clean out. After we clean out the biofalls and the skimmer, we break out the power washer. With the power washer, we knock off anything we missed in the previous steps and get off as much algae as possible. After we clean the pond, we'll go through with you with any leaks or damages that we found, and then how to properly maintain your pond and any other questions that you might have. And finally, we fill your pond up, top it off, and make sure you have enough water to get you through the season. That's the details of a pond clean out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us, email us, or you can also check out our website. Also, come check out our YouTube channel where we have other educational videos like this one, and also other projects that we've been working on around Nashville, and our garden guide series. My name is Montana. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.